On this project, we removed an old sailboat that was out at the customer's house and hauled it off. Also removed the old dock that was existing and replaced it with the new Everlast vinyl seawall. This sailboat had been moored in this area for many years, and the keel was kind of stuck in the bottom, so we had to do a little digging around it, got it pumped out, floating again, and got it pushed off. As you can see, this was a major transformation of this backyard. Level the yard off where it's actually usable. You can walk down to the water's edge now without in fear of sliding down the hill. If y'all would, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell up top, like and share.